Loads of people are making ridiculous amounts of money and wealth right now buying meme coins and only investing a few hundreds of dollars and a few thousands of dollars and turning that money into a few millions of dollars and some people even billions of dollars. Now, if you're like me, you're thinking, what the hell is going on right now? Some guy invested $8,000 and turned it into $5.4 billion with meme coins. So what I'm going to be doing for the next 7 days is I'm going to be investing $2,000 into meme coins to see if I can flip that money and turn it into as much money as possible within the next few days. I'm also going to be educating myself on how these meme coins work, what makes them go up in ridiculous amounts of value, and how I can jump in with it. Now, a meme coin is what it says on the tin. It's literally a meme within inside of a cryptocurrency coin. Now, if we take a look at other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Bitcoin, Polkadot, they have real use cases, and that's the reason why their value goes up. So if we take it as an example, Ethereum is a smart contract, a decentralized smart contract where you can do things like mortgages, loans on there. You can do so many things. You can do Web3, you can create apps on there and dApps on there. So the more people that use Ethereum, the more the price will go up in value, and they have real use cases that people will use every single day. Now, meme coins, on the other hand, they have no use case at all, and the way that they go up in value is by hype and community culture. So all these people on Telegram and Reddit create all this hype and FOMO, telling you that this is the next hype coin, and the only real reason why these coins go up in value is just by hype buying, and that is completely it. We've got people like Elon Musk, that's a big person behind Dogecoin, that really talks about it on his Twitter, and that blew up the price of Dogecoin. Now, another really popular meme coin right now is SHIBA INU, and this is the meme coin that's actually surpassed Dogecoin in market cap. I think it's ranked number 9 and Dogecoin is ranked number 10, and this coin is purely just gone up in value because of all the recent hype behind it. Now, because this one meme coin has gone crazy right now, which is SHIBA INU, loads of other meme coins are going crazy in value because people think if you put money in all these different meme coins, it's going to make you rich. Now, there's thousands of meme coins out there that you can buy, and people are trying to work out which one's the next SHIBA INU, and that's what I'm going to be trying to do in this challenge today. And I also want to say a massive disclaimer: anything that I say in this video is purely for myself. It's not financial advice. It's purely for fun. I would not recommend you do this at home, and I don't recommend that you buy any of the coins that I'm buying today. I am only doing this for this video. So we've got $2,000 to invest into some meme coins, and we've got 7 days to try and make as much money as possible. So let's get straight into it and not waste any more time. The first thing that I do is I head over to a website called CoinMarketCap, which literally lists all the different crypto coins, and it tells you all the information about them, like the market cap, what's the total supply. It tells you everything that you need to know. Now, the first thing that I do is I go to where it says today's cryptocurrencies price market by cap, and you can see you got trending and biggest gainers. Now, these are the two sections that I focus purely on. These are the ones that I've actually bought. Now, the first one that I bought is called King Shiba. Now, the reason why I bought this one is because it's got a really nice website. And the really weird thing about crypto is the better your website, the more likely people are to buy into it. And this website is actually really, really clean. And the other thing I like about this website is it's very easy to buy the actual coin itself. And they do offer NFTs and staking. So they have got some very light tokenomics, which ain't amazing, but at least they've got some. Now, the reason why I feel like this meme coin will do well is because it's got a low market cap and because of the branding King Shiba. Now, a lot of people feel like they've missed out on SHIBA INU, so they might want to go for ones that are similar, like Baby SHIBA INU or King Shiba. So I feel like this is a great alternative for those that feel like they've missed out. So the second coin that I bought is called Lucky Pig, and I genuinely find this one really fascinating and funny because they're literally calling you the pig and they want to see how lucky you can get. So this coin is literally about being a casino. If you scroll down, you can see the casino chips, you can see the dice, and this is literally telling you that you're literally in a casino right now and you're buying a chip from the casino, and the chip being this coin. Now, the branding and the website's really cool, by the way, and I just feel like it's one of those coins that people are going to want to mess around with and have a bit of fun with. And they do have the mini game as well, and they technically have an online casino, so it's got one of those funny parts of it which I feel like this meme coin could do potentially well. And the actual Telegram group itself, look, if I show you the Telegram group, it's got 9,000 members, so it's doing pretty well. So the third coin that I bought is called Mini Flocky Ada. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but basically it's another dog meme coin, and the reason why I bought this one is because it's got that dog meme coin look to it, and it's all about about Elon Musk. So Elon Musk's actually tweeted before about a flocky, and he's also posted his own flocky. So this coin is literally all about the actual dog flocky, and they're using Elon's clout to try and pump it. You can see there. So I'm just trying to see if it will actually work. And the other reason why I like it is because they've got 25,000 Telegram members, which is a lot. Now, the last coin that I actually bought is called Dogedash, and the reason why I bought this one is because the website's really nice, and it actually has a decent game compared to the other ones. And this website looks like the Angry Birds website, and it just looks like a legitimate game that people will actually play. So it's been around about 30 minutes since I bought those 4 different meme coins, and let's check to see how much they're actually worth. As you guys can see on the phone screen, I've got Pancake Swap open, and Pancake Swap is the website that you use to actually buy and sell these coins. So as you guys can see, I've got at the top Lucky Pig, which was one of the ones we bought, and at the bottom I've got USDT. Now USDT is a stable coin pegged to the dollar, so whatever $1 is worth is however much 1 USDT is worth. So as you guys can see, I've clicked max, and those Lucky Pig tokens are now worth $457. And remember guys, I did put $500 into each coin, so that's actually gone down by around about $40. So now let's change this one to Dogedash, and let's see how much it's worth. Now Dogedash is worth $464. It's not too bad, but we're still down around about $35. Let's have a look how much a Molkel Ada, whatever it's called, Molke Ada, whatever it's called, the dog coin. Let's see how much that one's worth, and that one's worth $487, so we're only down around about $10. Let's see how much King SHIB is worth. King SHIB is worth $532, so we're actually up $30 on King SHIB. So guys, this is an update after 5 hours of buying those meme coins, and the good news is one of the meme coins almost went up to $1,000 in value, which is like a $500 profit within 5 hours, which is absolutely nuts. And that's the King SHIB coin that I bought, the one that's meant to be like Shiba Inu, and I knew that one would do really well because of the hype of Shiba Inu. Now the other meme coins that we bought, we have one of them that's down around about $20, and all the rest of them are either breaking even or slightly above by either $10 or $20, but it's that King SHIB coin that's really doing well. So this is just a quick update for you guys. Yesterday I sold all the meme coins that I bought, and I ended up making a profit of around about $350. Now it should have actually been around about $600 to $700, but something that I didn't even realize that I think you guys should know is when you buy a lot of these meme coins, there's something called a meme coin tax, where what you do is when you buy the meme coin, you don't technically buy the full amount. You have to give a little bit of it away to the meme coin to pay this meme coin tax, and when you sell it as well, you have to do the same. So I should have been left with a lot more, but I just thought I would take the $350 profit and reinvest that back in. So what I've done today is I've bought 2 different meme coins, and I've distributed $1,171 between the 2 different meme coins. So I'm actually taking a different approach now. I'm only investing in 2 different meme coins instead of 4. I'm trying to increase the odds and hopefully make more money today. And I'm treating this like day trading. I'm just gonna buy these meme coins today, sell them tomorrow at a profit, and do the same again tomorrow. So just to give you guys a quick update on the coins that I bought today, I bought this coin called Shiboki, I don't even know how you say it, and it's on a mission to take over Shibu and Flocky. So it's that meme coin that is apparently going to kill the other meme coins, the same way Shiba Inu took over Dogecoin. So I feel like it's a safe bet. And the other meme coin I bought was something called Catgirl. Now Catgirl's been going viral on TikTok, and I didn't even realize that TikTok is actually really big for crypto people. Like, people talk a lot about crypto on here and potential coins, and when you search for Catgirl crypto, you can see loads of TikTok videos coming up with some crazy amount of views, and Catgirl recently has been blowing up. So I feel like it is quite a high risk because it's already gone up a lot. It's gone up like 50,000% so far, but I just thought maybe I could potentially make a decent amount of money on it if it goes up again. And if I show you how much they're worth now, you can see my Catgirl's currently worth $1,167. So I'm around about $5 down on that coin, which isn't anything crazy. If we take a look at Shiboki, whatever it's called, you can see it's currently worth $1,103. So I'm down about $70 on this coin, but I'll update you guys later to see if we get any progress. Oh dear, to give you guys an update, we are down on the two meme coins that we bought yesterday, which is Catgirl and Shiboki. Now, we are down quite a lot. We are completely down on the initial investment that we put in, which was $2,000, and we lost the profit that we made yesterday or the day before, which is like $350. So the current holdings are probably worth $1,800. We're down $200 on initial investment. So before I give you guys the game plan, I just want to show you quickly how much these coins are worth. Catgirl is currently worth 885 USDT, and I remember we put $1,171 in there, and of course I've got to pay a 10% meme coin tax on that as well, so it's probably worth 850, maybe less. Now Shiboki is currently worth, let's have a look, 1,131, so that's actually gone up a lot since I last checked, which was like 10 minutes ago. So we're still in quite a big loss, but I want to show you one of my game plans, which is I've found a few coins that I think could potentially go off, which is MMCrypto, Kabosu, which is another, I think, dog meme coin. This one, Little Floki, and then Micro Pets. This one's been doing really well recently, and I think this is quite a safe bet. And then this Dogelon Mars, this one's gone crazy. And if we look at the chart, for the last 7 days, it's been going on downtrend. If you look at the monthly chart, you can see that this massive spike, and then it's kind of dropped off. So I'm really trying to find some coins right now that have gone up a lot in the past, but they're currently struggling, and hopefully trying to ride the wave up, because the last few coins I've been buying them literally at the top. So I need to try and find some that are literally about to blow up. In terms of what will I do with these coins, I'm not too sure yet. I don't know if I should hold on to them a little bit longer and wait for them to maybe break even, or should I just get rid of them and put them into some more coins. That Shiboki coin that I bought the other day, I didn't decide to sell it yesterday. I decided to hold on to it because I thought it would actually go up in value, and good news is it went up $1,000. So I actually made $1,000 on this coin. But after I paid the meme coin tax and the fees, I was left with around about $750 in profit. Now, on the bad side of things, Catgirl decided to absolutely crash hard. And like I said to you before, it was a big risk getting involved in that coin because it already had a massive spike. I thought I could potentially get double my money out of it. So as you guys can see here, we got Catgirl, and it's currently worth $753. So we're down around about $400 on Catgirl. And if we take a look at the Catgirl graph, you can see what I'm talking about. We had this massive spike, and we bought Catgirl somewhere around here, and it's just kept going down. Now, I don't believe it can go down much further. If the community is as strong as it seems, then it should really bounce back within the next few days. But what I have decided to buy is something called MMCrypto, and I saw this one the other day, and I did tell you about this one yesterday, and this one's broke out of its all-time high, and because of that, I think it's got a lot of room to grow. And if I show you quickly how much MMCrypto is currently worth, you can see I'm currently at 1,757. So I was left with around about 1,750 when I sold Shiboki after I paid the meme coin tax. So technically I'm up $6. Now my plan is not to sell Catgirl anytime soon till I've at least broke even on Catgirl, which would be around about $1,150, and we're around about $400 away from it. As soon as I break even, depending on what the chart looks like, I'll probably sell it and put it into another coin, and hopefully I can do that before the end of the challenge. Overall, I think these meme coins are doing really well for me because I made around about $1,000 on Shiboki. I made $500 on the Shiborg or something like that. So overall, these meme coins have been performing well. The issue that I'm having with this challenge is because I'm investing in 2 different meme coins at once. It did start at 4 different ones. One of those out of the 2 end up performing really badly, so it takes all my profit away. So what I might do from now on, as soon as I broke even with Catgirl, is just invest into one coin, and hopefully it just pumps, because that will probably make me the most amount of profit. So it's the end of the challenge, and how much money did we make buying meme coins for the last 7 days? Let's get the drum rolls going, and we actually made $888 in profit from investing $2,000 around about 7 days ago, which isn't bad at all. But the really bad thing about this challenge was Catgirl let us down really badly. It basically beat this part out, and it actually made us lose around about $600. So if Catgirl didn't do as bad as it did, we could have made around about 1.52K in profit, but you can't win everything. So when I invested that $1,700 into MMCrypto, it went all the way up to $2,700, which was amazing. You're probably thinking, can you make money buying meme coins? And obviously you can. You've just watched me make $800, but it's extremely risky and it's literally gambling. Now, something that I've learned from my experience buying these meme coins is you're better off off holding them more long term, especially if you're buying meme coins that you believe will be around for a very long time and they won't be some of these pump and dumps. Now, I do actually have a free Telegram chat called the Econ King Investment Discussion, and it's a completely free discussion chat to join on Telegram, and I just tell you guys what coins I'm buying right now. None of them are meme coins, they're more like ETH, BTC, DOT, things like that. So if you want to join it, I'll leave it in the description below, and thank you so much for watching this challenge.